Polycom Trio 8800 and 8500 conference phones are certified for Microsoft Teams since the release of software version 5.9.0 AA. You can change from other base profiles to Microsoft Teams to make the Trio a native Microsoft Teams audio conference phone. You can change the base profile either through the phone or web interfaces. In this video, we'll be switching from Skype for Business to Microsoft Teams. To switch through the phone interface, go to Settings, then Advanced Settings. Enter the phone's admin password. Now go to Administration Settings, Network Configuration, Base Profile. Change the base profile to Microsoft Teams. Save your changes by pressing either the back or home button. The phone reboots and starts up the Teams application. The phone's administrator needs to enter the sign-in ID and password, then select Shared Mode to complete the sign-in process. Note that Trio 8800 and 8500 are certified for Microsoft Teams as a shared device. In the shared mode, the contact list and voicemail are not supported. Alternatively, you can change the base profile through the web interface. However, first make sure that the web server is enabled on your phone. By default, the Skype for Business-based profile has the web server disabled. Go to Advanced Settings, Administration Settings, Web Server Configuration. Ensure that the slider is green and on the right. Press Home, then Save Configuration. After the phone reboots, open a web browser and type the Trio phone's IP address. Enter the administrator password, then go to Simple Setup. In the Base Profile section, select Microsoft Teams. When you save the change, the phone restarts and the Microsoft Teams application loads on the Trio. From here you will need to go to the phone's UI. You can sign in on the phone, or you can select Sign in from another device to sign in via web browser. For larger deployments, configuration change can be done effectively by using centralized provisioning solutions such as Polycom Real Presence Resource Manager and Polycom Device Management Server for Enterprise.